Hey, so I'm using Just in Mind. It's another um computer-based prototyping. It's free just like Adobe XD. It's actually very similar in a lot of ways to Adobe XD. Um, but all you have to do is download it. It's quick and easy download. And then when you go in there, it looks like this. They'll have a few boxes that pop up here. Um, and it just gives you a little bit of tips on how to do a couple things and create some buttons, or um, it also, when you click on something new, like when I made this button, it brings up a link saying you haven't used a button before, would you like to create an event? And so you can simulate it. um, and when you click on sign in, um, it should go to the maps page, which I haven't gotten a picture up of like a Google Maps, but they have simulation buttons that you can go and test everything and see how it's working. Um, One thing I don't like about it is there's not much content to help with stuff. Um, I'm gonna be using this help function a lot and finding tutorials online. Um, 'Cause yeah, I can't figure out how to get a button, not really a button, but a tap field. Maybe this guy, input text field. Um, because I'm teaching myself, it's gonna be hard for me to um, figure this program out just with the lack of help. But I'll watch a lot of YouTube videos and help me figure it out because it's easy to make new screens. You just add a screen, put a name. So this would be like my favorite list. And it's quite easy to do that stuff, and that aspect of it is pretty simple, but the little details, it seems like Adobe XD might be simpler. But I'm just gonna have to fiddle with it and figure this thing out. But yeah, so far, Just in Mind Prototyper as a digital prototyping tool, um, it seems like it can work really well once you figure out actually how to do it. I'm just in the learning phase of it right now.